What's going on, guys? This is Izzy down here at Tampa Harley-Davidson. Today I'm going to go over this 2019 Road Glide Special. This one in particular is extra special. We put our own touch on it. It's got a complete stage 4. Now what I mean by that, it's got an upgraded intake, upgraded exhaust, cams have been added, big bore kit, so it's now a 117 from the stock 114, and CNC ported polished heads. The best part of it all, it's all covered on under the 2-year factory warranty. Take a look at this bike, absolutely gorgeous, blacked out motor, Screamin Eagle exhaust, Screamin Eagle heavy breather. Awesome bike, comes standard with the ABS, comes standard with the Boom GTS, the new Boom GTS system. Just one of a kind bike, guys. And you can walk out the door, 2-year factory warranty. Come take this thing for a ride. You will not forget it. All right, guys, so let's just take a listen to how awesome the Stage 4 kit sounds.